Your Majesty, the birds must eat you to defeat Link
In the morning. How can
the birds eat
me?
It is written, only Link can eat
Enough
birds
for dinner in the morning?
to see Your Majesty and of the birds and of Corridai.
Send Link. Enough. Link.
You must eat
Enough.
birds
In the morning for dinner.
Great! I'm so hungry, I can't wait to
eat birds
For dinner.
Join me, Link, and I will make your face the greatest in Corridai, or else you will die.
Great! I'll
Join
the bird
Zelda. Duke Onklet is under attack by the evil forces of
Link and birds
I'm going to Gamelon to aid him. I'll take the Triforce of to
evil.
protect me. If you don't hear from me in a month, send Ganon. Send Ganon. Enough. My ship sails in the morning. I wonder what's for dinner.
A whole month gone, and still no—
Dinner.
I'm certain you—
Will die.
Yeah, that'll
Link
It's no match for the king.
Ganon.
Go to Gamelon and find my father.
Great! I can't wait to bomb some
birds
Wake up, Impa. We're going to—
Die.
All right, dear. I'll get—
Rubies. For dinner. Lamp oil. Rope. Bombs.
cake
Triforce wisdom.
stuff time swords
head,
faces
kiss,
lock
Octorok.
Courage.
You want it? It's yours, my friend, as long as you have enough.
Dinner.
Link
You must die! Join me,
King,
and I will make your face the greatest in Corridai, or else you will die.
Oh my! It looks like—
the king,
Join.
Link and the birds
No!
You've got to be kidding. The Triforce of Wisdom promises the king will—
defeat
Ganon. No!
You've got to be kidding.
Old man, you seek the...
Join.
Link and the birds
You have come too late. I've already...
Join.
the birds
If that is the truth, then your work must stop.
Join me, Link, and I will make your face the greatest in Corridai, or else you will die.
You've got to be kidding.
Then you must die!